So if you have ever googled how to start dropshipping or watched a few videos, you've probably seen a lot of mixed info. Some says it's a passive income, others say it's just a hype. The truth, it's somewhere in the middle. So in this video, I will walk you through some of the most common dropshipping questions and clear up a few big myths so you actually know what you are getting into. Okay, the myth number one is you need a lot of money to start dropshipping. Well, it's not fully true. You don't need to buy bulk inventory or rent a warehouse. You only pay for products when a customer places an order. And yes, you will need a small budget for things like a Shopify plan, domain name, maybe some ads, but you don't need thousands to get started. The myth number two is dropshipping is too competitive now. Look, competition exists in every business. That does not mean it's dead. The key to choosing the right niche, marketing well, and offering better customer service rather than your competitors. There's still plenty of room for new sellers who actually put in effort. Okay, next question is what about shipping delays and returns? This is really a great question. Shipping can be tricky, especially if you're working with overseas suppliers, but a lot of platforms now let you connect with domestic suppliers and offering fast shipping options. Because I found something that could seriously change the way you think about online business, especially if you ever look into dropshipping or e-commerce and felt stuck figuring out where to get products or how to manage orders. So it's called Doba, and it's not just another e-commerce tool. It's a full-blown product sourcing platform that gives you instant access to millions of products from reliable suppliers without even needing to hold any inventory or deal with complicated banking systems. So what makes Doba worth looking at? So if you haven't ever tried building a store, you know that finding trustworthy suppliers, keeping up with inventory, and making sure your products ship on time is where things get tricky. And that's where Doba steps in. So here's what it handles for you. First is massive product library. You get access to millions of products across categories like from electronics to fashion, home goods, and more. Trusted suppliers. Every supplier on Doba is vetted, so you don't have to worry about bad reviews tanking your store. The next one is automated inventory sync. Product availability updates in real time. No more overselling or disappointing customers. Integrated order management. Orders are sent directly to suppliers and you can track everything from one dashboard. And the best part, you can get started with just $0.99 now. If you are curious to test it out, Doba offers a 14-day trial for a $0.99. That gives you access to core platforms so you can explore the product catalog, connect to your store, and test out the order management system. And also, just to clarify, the AI store builder is a separate optional add-on available during sign up for just $1.99. And it's worth it if you want to instantly create a fully designed product filled store using AI, but it's not required to get started with sourcing and selling. And why I'm genuinely impressed, most platforms either make you pay a ton upfront or require to figure out the messy parts of dropshipping yourself. With Doba, everything is streamlined and beginner friendly. Like whether you are building your first store or scaling your product catalog, it takes care of the heavy lifting behind the scenes. So if you have been on the fence about starting an online business or just need a better way to manage product sourcing, definitely give a Doba a try. So click the link below to start your 14-day trial for only $0.99. Try it, explore the features, and if you want to unlock the AI store builder later, it's just $1.99 extra. It's totally your call. So let's get back into the video. So our myth number third is dropshipping is 100% passive income. Well, not really. It's easier than running a full warehouse operation, but you still have to set up your store, run ads, respond to customers, track analytics. But the good news is once it's set up and optimized, you can automate a lot of the heavy lifting using tools like Doba. And here are my final thoughts. So should I start dropshipping in 2025? Well, the answer is if you are willing to learn, test products, and treat it like a real business, yes, it's still worth it. But skip the shortcuts, focus on real value, and use tools that make your job easier. And if you want to give Doba a try, that $0.99 trial is a great way to get started without a big investment. And I hope this video helped. Drop your question in the comments and I will catch you in this next one.